Hello, we are at the INDIAWOOD first day with Mr. Kunal Roy. He is the director of Indian Subcontinent of SCM Group. Hello, Mr. Roy, how are you?
Hi, good evening, and I'm absolutely fine, enjoying this environment of INDIAWOOD. INDIAWOOD is back again with a bang, and this is happening in New Delhi.
Yeah. So my first question would be, INDIAWOOD is celebrating its 25th edition this year, so a significant milestone for the industry. How do you assess the effectiveness of the event?
INDIAWOOD has been a very prominent event, which happens in the woodworking industry. It gives an opportunity for everybody, be it manufacturer, be it solution providers, to come at a single platform where we can interact, network, understand each other's needs, and provide customized solutions. This event attracts thousands of visitors, and for us as a participant in INDIAWOOD, this is a very strong message to the market that we are serious about this market, and this is in line with our current investments in the market of opening a new subsidiary, which is a local entity in India, which is SCM India, and we are building up a local team of sales and service technicians to cater to the entire Indian subcontinent region. We are very hopeful that this event will help us grow organically in the market and also give us a platform to meet more customers and also meet and greet our existing customers. Thank you.
Okay. So the second question would be, India remains a rapidly expanding market for the woodworking industry. How do you view its recent growth trajectory?
So we all know Indian economy is booming, and so is the woodworking industry. The best part is the furniture industry is evolving in a way where the demand for high-end furnitures are increasing. The manufacturing capabilities are being enhanced, which provides an immense opportunity for a company like SCM, where we design, manufacture all our products in Italy, right from the joinery machines to the high-end machines, industrial range of machines, which caters to the panel processing, solid wood, door line solutions, flooring solutions, surface finish technology. And I think this gives a wonderful ground for us to play, and we are very, very confident that we will continue growing in this market like we have been improving in the last 5 years. Okay, and we will continue this growth path in the coming years also.
So thank you, Mr. Roy, for interacting with Wooden Panel Europe.